You love throwing cards. It's one of the most fun things to ever do, and if you want to turn your throwing playing cards into actual throwing playing cards like Banshees so that way they whistle, this is the video for you. So subscribe and ring the bell if you want to know everything about playing cards and throwing cards. So let's get into this video right now. Now first, let's look at the material you actually need. First, if you don't have a deck of Banshees, this is a great purchase. If you want to see the full review, I'll leave that down in the description. If you want to make your cards whistle, you of course need some playing cards. So what I like to use is either old jokers or old ad cards, or just an old deck of bikes, or I need bicycle playing cards, because for the most part, that's really all that I use them for. If I'm going to do magic or cardistry, I have other decks that I use that. And the last thing you need is a hole punch. First, take your card and locate where the top right and bottom left is. You're going to be looking up here and down here. First thing you want to do, grab your hole punch, make sure you know how to use a hole punch, and then take it, put it here, and put it just barely inside of the corner, directly on the inside. So it's not very far in, just barely past the border. That's the first one you're going to want to do, and you're going to want to do that on both corners. If you don't do it, and you only do it on the top right or the bottom left, and you don't do it on the other corner, it won't work as well. So make sure to do that on both sides, and then you're all set. So now you have 2 holes, and you're going to want to make 2 more, because at this point it won't be whistling. It just really won't sound very good anyways, because the airflow needs to go from one hole directly into the second one, but this gap right here is too long. So this time you're going to go a little bit past it, keep it about on the same line, and this time you're going to go here. So you have 2 holes right about at the same point, just like that. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side, keep it about the same distance, same height, and there you go. So when it looks at it, you should have 4 holes just like that, and this should be mimicking your Banshees playing cards. Now when it comes to your Banshees, the holes are going to be from the back and the top left and bottom right. Now when I'm looking at this one, it's top right and bottom left. It's going to be the opposite corners. Now why is that? For me, when I'm doing this, I like to hold it with the back up, and I like to have a little bit more grip on that hole. It somehow makes a little bit more friction, and I like the way that I throw it. Now if you don't like it like that, and you like to just hold the corner, just have the face up, and both ways you'll be good. That's all for this tutorial. If you want to know how to throw playing cards, either for power, or behind your back, or in a card trick, there's so many videos I have on the channel on throwing playing cards, and many, many more to come. So, subscribe to the channel and smash the like button if you did like it, and if there's a specific thing within playing card throwing that you want to see here on the channel, let me know down in the comments so I can make that video for you, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is Card Perfect, signing off.